Welcome everyone to another Friday edition of the facepaint.com video by Pam Kinneberg. I'm excited to bring you the Glam Spider Eye today. We're going to start with the Craze Royal Blood 1 stroke and a 3/4 inch flat brush, and we're going to paint that right on the eyelid. So I'm loading up just those bottom colors, the black and the reds, and it's okay if you get a little bit of that yellow on there, it'll kind of just blend into the red. So I start with my brush perpendicular to the eyelid with the dark color inside and the lighter color on the outside. And I just rotate my brush around the lid and bring it back at a slight angle, not straight back, but just up a little bit. Then I'm going to take the black Craze with my number 2 round brush, and I'm going to create the body. Now, I want the legs to go around the eye area right here, so I'm going to put a dot where it separates the head from the body. And the legs all go, kind of start out from that point between the head and the body. Put the little antler things up there, and then I'm going to do the legs. And you can do them one of two ways. You can push back and make your like a backwards teardrop, or you can make like a regular teardrop and bring the point in to the other bulbous area and then draw out those end legs. Here I'm doing 2 teardrops. You see they're going right into that area where the head meets the body, and then doing a couple more, joining with the leg there, and then just doing some sharp points on the outside. And those are the 2 front legs on each side. Now we're going to do the back legs, and I'm going to do the same technique where we start off on that area between the head and the body, and I'm going to do a teardrop, connect those teardrops together, and then bring a point out. This one I'm doing more of a drag and drop where I start from the point and pull it back to that bulbous area. And finally, the last leg on each side, doing that drag and drop, and doing that final leg. So now we have all of the legs intact, and I'm going to take the white Craze and put small little highlights on those joint areas that are a little bit larger, just to give it some dimension. And these can be really super quick, but it adds quite a lot to do that. I'm also going to put highlights on the head and the body as well. I'm going to take some glitter now. This is Rainbow Pride. It's Festival Glitter from Art Factory. It comes in a gel and a loose glitter, and I'm going to apply the loose glitter over this Vivid Glitz glitter glue that I'm applying to the black. It can go right over paint. I pick up a little bit of that glue with a brush, tap it in my loose glitter, and then I can pat it right where I want it onto that glue, and it stays really, really well. And this just gives a really fun glam look to this spider. Then as a final touch, you can take some liquid bling, and I would use red instead of this, but I didn't have red, so we're using purple. But I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid bling to the ends of these front spider legs to make it look like it's kind of going into her skin. And another little bit of pizzazz, and you've got a really fun spider that everyone loves. Thanks for joining me, and happy painting, everyone!